Well, to Dr. Prindiville and Dr. Hosted, thank you very much for the kind welcome and for your sponsorship and participation in the event here. They are two outstanding educational leaders that I have worked with, both of them in the western part of Wisconsin, and now they have come together at these two really great institutions here in Waukesha County. And we're going to need both Carroll University and Waukesha County Technical College and all of our institutions of higher learning in this state to make sure that we are producing the great scientists, the great technicians, the great business people, the great lawyers. You need lawyers. The great all of the jobs that we need to make sure that we continue to grow this important part of our economy. Well, you know, we are meeting today at a very difficult time for our state and our country. It is a time when I think many of us really are uncertain about what the future holds. From families that are concerned about what may have happened to their retirement funds, to the cost of gas at the pump, the cost of health care and health insurance, to concerns about whether the economy is sort of all going to collapse around us, to state governments now that are worried all across the country about what the result of this downturn will be, and whether so many of the great initiatives that we have undertaken here in the state of Wisconsin will be delayed or deterred or thwarted because of the national economic conditions and international economic conditions that we now confront. I'm not here to tell you it's a great time. It is a very, very difficult time. And for those in biotechnology and medical devices and many of the startup companies and those entrepreneurs that are looking to get started, it's a tough time to go to the bank and try to find capital. So this is going to be a hard year or two that lies before us. But I think what is really essential is that all of us here in the state of Wisconsin recognize the incredible progress that we've made and the investments that we have made, and make sure that even in these difficult times we do not turn off course and that we continue to make those investments. You know, we have worked hard in Wisconsin with great results, thanks to many in the room. I look out there, I see many people I know who have worked so hard to build this state as a center of medical devices, and now as really the premier medical device state in the United States, and now increasingly to be truly one of the centers of biotechnology in the United States and in the world. Just a couple of weeks ago, we hosted the World Stem Cell Summit in Madison, a time when 1,000 people from the scientists and business leaders and foundations and others who are involved came to Madison and in the course of it really recognized Wisconsin's preeminent position in medical research and in the technology and the commercialization that results from it. We have developed in this state a good set of tax credits that help young people young companies get started. And we need to increase and modernize and make more flexible those tax credits to really spur early stage development of companies. In Wisconsin,